please, me I beg you no. Subscribe as you come on the channel. Subscribe, me I beg you no, please. Subscribe, me I beg you no. Yes, subscribe, please. As you come on.
Paradise Nation, Richard Brownfield. Oh, big boy, playing with your drugs tonight. Hey, big boy, when you gonna get it right? Mama cry, when you gonna get it right? Oh, Kenny, she say. One thing she said, the bells are gonna work. It are gonna help you fit do your homework. See that little boy named Chucky, feeling fresh and breathing now work. Big boy, when you gonna get it right? Oh, big boy, playing with his drugs, everything seems alright. Hey, just the other day, police start checking on the lead. Pastor boy preaching, the words not reaching. Now go for your church, boss. Not a Both you a check for me, sister. No, one go check your prime minister. Make him fix all the system a twister. But you are part of the system, what we fix up. Hey, step away. Oh, step away. Whoa. Oh, big boy, I gotta be a big boy. Oh, big boy, playing with your drugs tonight. Hey, big boy, when you gonna get it right? Oh, big boy, oh, Candy.
Morning. I'm not see you for when.
There, man. You know, somebody do up by faster.
But you look like you put on weight and take it off. Then see you look like you put it on. I will pass off feed the pan up there.
Beer tea, man. Coffee tea and...
A coffee that there?
Yes, man. Let me get my regular coffee tea and my KFC and my burger. Pastor day with me good.
So where you when I'm on so early? Like you never drive carry down?
Right now we not even know say me I left. I just feel like say I want to go look for mommy.
Oh, you want to see mommy face?
I want to see mommy.
You not go to school up there?
No.
Because I know say pastor must have a heavy treatment up there. Don't look at them at pastor. They say they don't see you at school. From when?
I'm done with school. Pastor said I'm done with school, so I don't really go to school no more.
Because at 4th grade, then to start back at 6th grade. That's why Chucky they want Chucky them start go back at school to a big boy, because then say look the grade they don't start back yet. Because after holiday they start the school a certain way. So 2 days gone out of school and go back yet. You buy uniform, then buy uniform for you yet?
We did have uniform already.
Oh, so you can check mommy and talk about school then?
Yeah.
You need to take your book, you know. Before you take the book, take your book. You hear me? Before you take the hook, take your book.
Alright. That's true. So what go on with you differently, Rasta?
They are drink some tea. Go and go look for your mama. I wonder if you're there.
Mommy down there?
Me no. Me and mama no sleep last night.
Alright.
Sleep alone.
Alright, Rasta. Mommy! 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 What am brother man? Morning.
Good morning, cute. What?
What your father do?
I'm not saying company road door.
So you do what so early in the sleep
Boy, I
last
can't
night?
stop sleeping. I give me wet dream.
Really? Come here. Nick, you can't tell nobody in here.
No, tell nobody. I'm not informer. Jesus Christ, my father killed me lick now. Same thing my father beat me for, you know. I'm making kill me in lick. Stop putting that
Don't
snap
make
on
him
me.
know say me.
I'm telling him already.
Don't tell him say me.
I don't kill me in lick.
Check me payat later, man.
Alright.
Alright. Oh, that my tata. Hi, mommy. Morning. Morning, mommy. What you do here? What you do here?
Pastor send me down.
Pastor send you down.
Yes, mommy.
After pastor come check me and tell me say why you stay 2 more months.
Never know that. He send me down and give me a coffee, tea, and then give me sound for play.
That's all he send come.
Yes, mommy.
So why you send you down for?
He don't really send me down, like, I can't go back when I want to go back. It's up to me.
You
But
what?
did me say I want to come look for you, mommy.
Alright. Is this since I was there already? Me not send her back up there. Yeah? Alright. And
Mommy,
by the way,
different things
this
Pastor
is-
doing, mommy.
what?
Different things Pastor do up there.
Like what?
Big people things.
I thought pastor have me that up there do.
Yes, mommy. So, mommy, you know where you send me in.
Me send him here and just sit down and talk to you, give you some counseling.
Talk
you
to me,
know?
mommy.
Like when they send the pick them got cops and them have teachers who teach them, counsel them.
Yes, mommy. Pastor beat me with the whip. He beat me, mommy.
So when I beat you for? When I beat you for?
I don't know he say I will get in a spirit. So he beat me with the rod. He beat me with the button. He beat me with the whip.
This a coconut milk for cook. This is a Milo or coffee. That big old black idiot. By the way, you eat?
No, mommy.
You send it down and you don't eat?
And then him send me down, mommy, and run away. From out there. He might beat me too much, mommy, every day and want to beat me. He want to beat me every day. He might give me cause of beating, mommy.
Me not send you back up there, but under one condition. I want you stop up and down on the road and listen when I talk to you.
Yes, mom, I can do that.
Alright. I'm going to look for something for you to eat. What you want?
Pack soup.
Alright, I come.
How you dealing?
Running fire.
Like a bike bus. I remember to lean up on you.
I people was my lean down pants.
You can't see things are not lean on it. Eh?
I'm tired.
Huh? Look at young green girl like you tired.
Yeah, I come from a pasta, man.
So you deal with though? Like you're the back for good now? Huh?
Yeah.
You're the back for good now?
Yeah, man.
Good, good.
They are back for good, good, good. Man, I ain't going nowhere anymore.
You now go back up there. Alright, so.
Now go back up there.
You see me that you like this, you can look in your face, you know. And I can't say something go on with you.
Hey, what, sir? What do you mean?
You look like you're pregnant.
Me?
Mm-hmm.
You sure?
I know that's your way, you know. No, that's your way.
No, sir. We're gonna never be pregnant.
Me say, listen to me. Me see it on you. A 15 baby mother me have. Yeah?
Me feel laugh. Me really feel laugh.
Yes, a long time I breed woman, but most I put them the far.
But my mother have beat me. And my mother see me this morning. And she not ask, she not say me pregnant or not. She not say that to me.
Your mother don't
And
know.
you-
Your mother know she's pregnant. But say wash, she did wash, you know. She did wash. You hear the story when you're born? She a wash and you just pour shoops on the ground. She even know she's pregnant.
Really?
Yeah. Rough. You laugh. You laugh. Big old you Japan gong.
At first me I hear that this story.
Oh.
I've got to ask mommy.
You can ask her, man. That's why that's why you see when you drop, look at one little chip of stone in the ground. Mud. One little bus in there and the stone there. So when she a
So a long time I hear him on fire. Never know see it there.
yeah, man. A bag of thing go on. So differently though. Are you mad over there?
Yeah.
Like you turn big girl now, you can help out your mama.
In what way?
No, boss way. Boss way, girl. Find something to do out of world and help your mama. Your mama have to dip on the beach day, night. And wine, cutie, wine. A time I know, man. How much now?
I'm gonna be 17 next week.
So now that you turn 17 now, I just one more year before you can touch her. What kind of work you going to? You have the same work like your mama?
No, I wanna be an artist.
Well, you want paint pan wall?
No, sing, got stage show and something. Go perform.
You want to sing? You're rough.
What you say, rough? Sorry, I don't believe in my dreams.
What me I say though? After how much things you mommy have to go through, what kind of song you go really sing now?
I sing song for the mothers.
What do you think song for your mother them? Uplift themselves?
Uplift. I know about the struggles in the slum.
Struggle in the slum. Yeah, burn weed, not true? Because your mouth lip black. When you look, you look good. Oh, you might look black, so.
We take 1 and 2 smoke, but mommy don't know. You can't make she know. Please, that's what I tell mommy.
Yo, me ain't no companion, you know. Me ain't no wrap up. Me a reason with you as a little child. You can't play with me. I no busy about your secret. You know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
Left that to Victoria. You know what I mean? But boy, you're a nice little girl, you know. I open her. Make little boy them beat you out and eat you out and freak you out and sleep you out. But if I, no, come, no, shit. Me go let me not know you. How are you doing about my yard? Are you a big boy or are you a Chucky? You are Chucky. And you are a big boy. You are bullpen, bully for around, so. You are Marvin. But, because you done the road already. Like, when you calculate it, look like you have to follow up in your mom's footstep, man. You want to turn artist show? Eh?
Yes, sir.
Sing one song. You think that's how artists sing go? Mr. Sing song, yeah, ram goat?
No, sir.
Come, sing a song, man. Be a child. Push up yourself. Me say I can't send you a road. Go on.
Father, can you hear me? I need your love today. I know that you are listening. You hear me every day.
Oh, so you can sing, girl. You have the voice of a bird.
Sorry, I sound like bird for you.
Yeah, you sound like one bird, but that's a good thing still, because a bird natural. You know what I mean? So what you need to do now, sing in the bathroom often, and when you hear about rising, if you come back, rising star, you go end tight. You know what I mean? But now put a leg in one basket, because what go on this thing of them nowadays is a shame. Because most of the young girls want to sing now, they want to lick out, they don't lick out and do what they don't do. And them think they into?
Me can lick out things.
Me no know. You're strong, you look like you can lick out anything.
Me lick out what me feel lick out. If me feel lick it out.
Yeah, no. Me not going to argument here, you know. Because me no understand yourself to lick out. You see when you start lick out, all your teeth will get kicked out.
But if you are going to lick out something, like you lick out upon somebody.
Oh, yeah, lick out. Oh, you're smart.
If they not right.
If they not do right, oh.
And that I mean, sir.
And now, what I think you mean, come on, no young, no, nowadays, pitney, uno to prime, uno have some talk, you know, me no know, uno talk in a private, me no understand it. If you always say like I me no understand most of the time, when I say most of the time, I chop, me no understand what I say, me no understand the language. So when I say lick out a while ago, me think of what I see on the social media, when they say some girl lick out, enough lick out, you know what I mean?
Oh, no,
and then they say, then so me say, I go off I say terminology. Oh, you have to lick out, say lick out on them, man.
Yeah.
You have to lick out on them. I sing their songs, say people be straight. People always spend time, they're not late. You know what I mean? So anyway, upon the road me I go. Bless yourself. Tell your mother say me soon come check her back. Me have 2 bills here from when, you know what I mean? She went buy some plum and me not get back her change. So, no. My mother not no business. She don't put me a smile. She went there for a long time. If you can climb up night up at the plum tree, you can pick 2 plum. But
Yes, me can big boy pick it.
I don't want no man on the tree. Me say you can climb, go up in the top right, you can pick 2 plum. You hear me?
Yes, sir.
If you want plum, climb up in the top right and pick it. Don't wait them sitting here, we slide off. Wear short skirt, go up in the tree. That means you can lap it with your foot. You know what I mean? You can lap around it.
I choose, sir. I choose.
Because them see a slide off. The last woman, you know, I wrote my fuse and time up. To keep him up there. I'm sure we'll leave because he must slide off and he wrap around himself and take time to climb down.
So I can climb it anytime?
Climb at night most likely because them time they is safer. So as long as you do the right thing, Alright, so you know your father though?
No, never meet my father.
It's the next story.
You know my father for you?
Oi! Where upon the road?
No, mommy. Me and Rasta there.
Me not tell us some no why you upon the road, I'm no why you talk to no man.
Yes, mommy.
Go in the yard.
If I'm no pastor, you know, we talk to no man. You tell you that I'm not talk to no man and you have me for pastor yard. You know pastor?
Me send her up there for counseling for you.
Counseling for what?
Because she not behaving herself. She act like she a big woman.
You see girl bigger than you now.
Yeah, that don't mean say I'm a big woman. She's
You're
still a child.
You worry about pitney and you can't even control the pitney. You know for pitney? Yes, you know who breed you.
Of course, I know who breed me. What make you feel so I don't know who breed me? I know so what list and
Watch it.
kills.
You tell me go in the yard, the thing gone. You tell me go in the yard. What kind of mother you know?
I'm going to deal with him, man.
So we have to promise. Go and deal with the pitney. Go and deal with
Right,
the
but
pitney.
I don't know who breed me. Actually, you don't get none.
You know what last night? Eh? You look like a mountain.
Look, girl. I'm going to just talk to you. I'm going to just talk to you. I said, I go, so where you go? Come to me. I'm going to just talk to you till something go in the yard.
Yes, mommy.
So where you head, so I go? Where you go?
I saw me there go for the road.
Something you go for? Go in the yard. And who you take off?
Yo, cute.
What go?
There, money, I do business.
Your money?
Of course, I have money. No business, me account, me no money, so I get money. So much?
money you have?
2 grand.
I like, come on.
So, me still want next thick one over there, so how much here?
My daughter that, she's not on sale or anything.
Oh. I think I still out everything, man.
No.
Oh. Alright, forward there now.
Alright. Wait, where you want to go by the way? I'm going to start charge extra for boost.
No problem then, man. Yes,
No so boost there.
Oh. Yeah, because scandal back.
Yeah man, me have.
Stop it. Can't believe some $500 to Bombay. Come like I'm a lucky morning.
Like,
Yeah. Just $500 out this. Sell more tigers. Hey. Lucky morning. Oh, go on.
Nothing.
Yeah, alright. So, finger job. We had with finger in your mouth. Take out the finger.
Mama, that's why I can't suck my finger.
Alright, you can suck your finger if you want. Prepare the dog to go for somebody, sir. You want some?
Yeah,
You
give me
hungry?
some, no? Thanks. How are your name?
Cutie.
Oh,
What's your name?
Kira.
What's your name?
My name Kira.
So, I can't feel go on to mama. No, it's like you but me teach him. My name is what like to take. Pick me put back your finger in your mouth. I told me no why you suck your finger when me give it. Where you come from over there, sir?
You see about one lady here with name Candy. A big boy, I'm a new boyfriend.
What? Big boy. Give me my cheeky. What? No, big boy, I'm a new boy. Big boy, who can say you want plum? You want big boy over there. Big boy, I'm a new boyfriend. And then you want me cheating.
Say I wait for me for a while now. From me give the half of money and me tell her say I get the other half.
Yeah.
But I know my fault why me not come with the other half.
Alright.
Yeah, me thanks for your wait, but me know you're in need of money.
Yes,
you understand
very
me?
much. Yes.
But thank you for your patience still, you know.
Yes.
But let me tell you, the reason why the card not delay, my draw, you understand me? The lady, me go to the partner woman and she tell me say how much people did.
Let me show you something over here. You know how things go, you know, so me kind of, you know, sympathize. I mean, we wait with you, man. We wait with you and do something.
Yeah, the partner
delay.
delay.
Over there, so. The people, they know, look, man, me I show you something over there, so. Look how they tear down the board and buy people in the house.
How for house? How make them steer down?
No, Mrs. But you know, nigga people stay. When they look and they say certain things and people not did they then take ownership.
Ah, look how much people want there something
yes,
they no people not live nowhere.
I saw them do it.
Okay. Oh.
Yes.
Anyway,
Yes.
as I was saying before, The reason why me no come with the partner money is because I know my turn to get dry yet. And me ask the lady over and over and she said me have to wait. She can't give me my job before the next person them will ask her before me. So you see, as soon as me get it, me carry the other half of the money come give you.
Alright, yeah man, we will wait for you, man.
Alright,
We
yeah,
will
man.
wait for you. And
Remember say me give you the half already.
yeah
you know?
man, as me tell you, say,
So
man,
just
we will wait
give me a
for
little
you.
more time, yeah?
Yeah man.
Alright, cool,
Alright.
thanks. Yeah. Alright.
Happy birthday today, you know?
Your birthday today?
Yes.
Oh God. Happy birthday.
Thanks.
Happy birthday. I hope you live still. Whole it more years, girl. Big up yourself. 5'5". I say you look nice. I like your nails them. Lad, girl, you look good.
Thanks.
Yeah, man. Alright.
So we see you.
Yeah, man. Alright.
Sheriff, I Shakaberry. Black boy. Where do you? Me hope that's what I talk to the woman and you see the woman out there and yet still you come to come out the road. How where do you? I'm not sure what I'm your plan.
And you did that come to mommy?
So you know wait until the time you come in our yard where you trail me not come out the suffer. Suppose the woman did see you. And money may depend on that you can't get the money to put in the bank book. Suppose we not get the money. How you gonna get the bank book for open? Where do you? You idiot. You know no sense. Come get ready now and come go your pa. Right now and go along your pa. Me say no and come go along your pa.
Chucky. You look like you're still asleep and you're just bed.
Me now wake them and time in the morning and them and time me no big people.
Look here. You're just bed. Why you piss up the little girl? You
I
piss up.
see piss up.
You piss up the people them.
Look, smell if a boy piss and a girl piss.
Give me let go the bag. You think me your pooper?
Smell it.
Hold on, come break
When
the
piss
bag.
and girl piss.
One over your yard. Go put on clothes.
Me go
One
see.
go put on clothes. Is a lucky thing. Say big boy gone to bed. Go sleep. He said that piss him up too. Go along your yard.
Them poop thing.
One over. Me no want you nothing from you. You're nasty now. Look how you're so big and nasty. Go on over your yard. Go on over your yard, me say. You turn up there so they look.
Big boy poop thing.
One over. Me I go be the little girl now. One over. You there?
Me a come back to breakfast here.
Yes, me left breakfast here. Me I go be a Tira. Go on.
Me a wake in at 11 o'clock.
Go on now. You just turn up on a church side so. Me I come to you now.
Hear me? You notice me not sleep here last night. Me a going go sleep now. Anybody come to me a sleep.
Yes, brother.
Don't make them disturb me.
Yeah.
Oi. Wait for you.
You know, so daddy gone on the road though.
How long?
So too long enough. I'm telling you, my father and some stay in here.
So we Chucky then?
Oh, Chucky. You know, Chucky asleep though.
When you make up them, somebody can't look for him.
Alright, how are you?
Apple. I your stepmother, Chucky mother. Alright. I'll get icky.
You know, say, cutie put the keep on my neck.
You look boy, you get icky. Alright. Wham.
Come on, for myself, girl.
Wham.
One with one.
You beat up a penny, make a penny for gas station, wham.
Where you can talk when them tie me up and go party?
I'm
drink
know
rum
about
and them
that.
something.
I'm know about
You
that.
see boy coming drunk one night.
I tell him not to go nowhere, something for you. You know, big man, you know, say, you see him mid rope, take it from him.
I ramp him, say ma show me a chick, you know. And I say, boy, I'm in a playing thing, man. And I say, alright. Daddy, me is just a look chick me I show you, man. And then him tie me up. What for do? I'm for pull myself. I wait in the morning. But you see our boy wicked, we in the morning somebody come pull me.
See, you never see nobody pass to come pull you.
Yeah, me I tell you, say we in the morning, nobody no pass in the night. Come back, you not even know about. How is it when him and big boy them round this? A thief of the people in plumber for them cheap. Still at the rasta come and cuss me. I mean if you know that. That's if you know.
But you not call me and tell me nothing.
You pick up your phone and me I call you.
You call me?
I mean if I call you, you don't see me call them.
When?
You put the boy in a place so that if you do, man.
I tell you something make him come see me, no want that.
Look a boy like him. In birthday them no not even tell me. Look a boy like him. I drink rum.
No you pitney if you know when I'm birthday.
If you man big boy them a bun weed.
No you pitney. You know I'm supposed to know when I'm birthday. Eh?
Yeah, talk about me now call you. You call me.
Me work, come to call you. No if you call me a man in time I make sure something good.
Yo,
tell me what they go on.
Put the boy in that place and make him and big boy stop move or something. You know say say I'm gonna put you in a trouble.
So him not go to school?
I mean if me send him go to school.
Him say not see him going on school, you not give him no money, I'm not eat pan time.
Come on in yard, come see what I go on then. You not even wash out some clothes for you pitney.
You dey carry them come?
And me if you wash the clothes them
you
for you
dey carry
pitney.
them come?
Girl, put yourself in a place like how you have to put your pitney in a place, man. You me come like a single father.
So what that say?
Go on up here. Just go on up. Please, me I tell you, go on up.
But you not wash him neither.
I mean, I'm not wash feet.
Him come on here other day and him clothes dirty and him teeth no brush or nothing.
So be dirty, my playing I'm big boy. I'm not tell you, marble elastic all type or something.
Take him up and tell him to school if you go.
You know, see I want wicked liar boy that you see boy go for police for me. Police, I tell police me have all gun on them something there.
You see you beat him up and accuse him of certain.
If you get lick, you know, it's the same road.
No lick him now and spoil up his skin. Lick him and make him know himself.
But yo, I can't take the argument right now, you know. Cause if me see him again, me I lick him again.
And you will know when you lick him.
You don't understand what I go on. Me cannot take care of you, me alone as a single father. And you go for police me, tell the police where me have gone. This big old police boy come shoot me. Me have to hide from me yard.
Officer Smiley come down on me yard and ask for you them tell me some no know for you.
Officer Smiley.
Them a look for you so you must know.
You not even know here. You not even know here. Where we are run for my mind here.
What run
Officer
for your
Smiley.
Mind? What run for your mind? If the people never see you with gun, or they know say you have gun. I just get up and say you have gun.
See me with gun. Where you talk say? The boy liar than him a informer everything and him a thief.
Him a informer that's a thing don't mean say you have it.
Cutie, I will not come back.
What going big boy?
No one go on me. You'll call and you go away and not come back. Me have a new girlfriend now. Me nobody want you again.
You have new rich girlfriend. You can't have no new girlfriend.
I have new girlfriend. You go up by pastor you and me don't want you. I don't want you again.
Me don't want you for a morning. You're a real antenna.
What antenna you are, man? Good.
Go antenna. Antenna boy.
Boy, I don't want you again.
Where? Done with you.
You're done.
Where? You're a real antenna.
You say pastor done you. Chucky!
Where you going?
Just wait. Tired? What time now?
He that cute you over there, so I come. Tell me say me don't want him again. Me have new girlfriend.
What you turn up down there? What you mean?
No.
Alright, let me tell you, you see the reason why? You see the reason why now? Because you're not dead a theme. You're not dead a theme, and me alone dead. Say, you me tell you something.
What do you mean by me not today?
Go on now.
You go on up.
You myself for go on now.
You go on up.
Go on.
You go on up.
Come go on up. That's fact. You me tell you for go on up. Go on up, man. Go on up, no man. Go on up, man. You myself for go on. Go on up, man. Leave that picking this, man. The way Tim over him, I got. You think I tie me a time up? Handsness tie up and beat me in a one. Just your way.
She really go for a pastor?
What's up there in there how long?
Anybody go for a pastor, you know? The pastor crucified him, you know?
Come back down and I leave want him again. Yo, come we go play some marble.
Long time. What him to? Yeah, marble?
Yeah, marble.
Yeah, marble too? One.
Watch out, me have the best one.
Wait. Don't go to Sure. You want to go with sure.
Nothing for me.
Shut.
Everything dead. Everything dead.
You don't understand the game, my marble.
Nothing for me. I saw your pitch, look, it goes up, so. Your pitch, so. So, look, so.
Go.
So. Pitch, so. Look like so. Yeah, but you're gone back in there.
Pitch up.
Alright, everything dead.
Alright. Go closer. Alright.
Nothing for me.
Yes. Relax. Yes. Relax. It's a dead. Yes. It's dead.
Give me time.
You see him for that now.
Nothing for me. Okay.
A long time, man. A long time now. We have a birthday. Come chill and go wait already. One bang bang.
My mother.
You know, say you not come back up here.
Yeah, but my mother get money from foreign and me I go give her some.
And my mother get money too.
Me I go buy her one big bun, big bun. Where a truck, you have to come and truck.
And me I go buy cheese when a 2 truck have to carry.
And if you not give me none, you not get none of my money. If you not give me none.
More bun and cheese.
Yeah!
But you have to give me some.
So you ready for bang bang? Come on, we're bang bang.
I'm first going.
Relax no man.
Chucky, that big boy.
Come on.
Come on, stay longer.
Boy,
It's someone pin me, man.
Mad.
come here for your back.
Get by your back.
Oh, go on, Pastor. Oh, yeah, Pastor. Oh, you can get last man.
One brother.
You are dealing.
There, you know.
You have to pray for your eye.
Yeah, man, I'm praying for the eye, you know.
Alright. So you're good though, where you dealing?
Well, you know, so I'm looking for a girl, though.
Which girl?
Shorty.
Shorty?
Yeah.
Shorty.
Have you seen her, man?
Which one? Which one?
The bigger one. But she's short.
Oh, like cutie, shorty, big daughter,
Yeah.
shorty, big daughter. Are you a girl?
Didn't know, man?
Are you up here yard in the same house all the time?
Oh, yes.
Oh, she and look boy them gone over on the back road and so. Then gone play Dolly House.
So long now they're gone now.
Good while ago, man. Them gone play Dolly House, man. Now look at them, you know.
So how long?
Are you that? Come and ask them who for pitney. Are you a pitney? Alright, go on. Are you a daughter?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Them gone on the back road.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Nice one, give one grand.
Thank you. Cutie, what you doing here?
I play, we come play.
Yeah.
A Dolly House.
I thought I left you at home. When you here and don't let me know. Call me and let me know.
I play with a big boy come out here for play.
We are pray.
Me name a prayer. Are you
Name a
alone
prayer.
in a prayer?
Praying. What kind of praying you praying?
Name a prayer.
No lie.
Me did that play Dolly House.
Cutie, come here.
See Pastor call you.
Pastor.
I don't want guy
We get what we want already. One no.
One.
a big boy, I don't want.
Come feed Pastor. Come feed.
Come on, man. Look how much money I spend on you. What you doing? Come on. Come here, come on. How much money I gave to your mother? I must leave here and don't let her know. Huh?
Pastor, go crucify her. You go down.
Later, cutie!
Pastor, remember the offering that me beg you.
Oh, no, walk up.
What, Rasta? Everything good?
How do I feel? She look like she a ball.
Well, you know, say, I just got catch her with some guy now and I leave her at home.
Oh, she not behave herself?
Behaving herself. I leave her at home.
Oh, she
how much money I spend on her? Huh? You know how much money I spend on her, sir? I leave her, she leaves the home, you know. And she don't even call me and let her know that she's gonna leave. I come and can find her.
Yeah, go beat her now.
Well, I go beat her.
We're going to do that.
We're going to talk to her and make sure she knows that she mustn't do it again. Anytime she leaving home, she just call,
I lie, tell Rasta, him beat me up, them don't want to go back up, them can't stay with her.
You know, yeah.
Please.
How much money I spend on you?
Huh?
Why you want to stay with the Rasta?
Pastor, you beat me up there too much.
Nothing like that.
Yeah, no, you can't, don't, Pastor, if not get trouble, beat them backside. Because you cannot save the rod and spoil the child. The Bible says so. Beat out her caca. Her mother can't take care. She loves to out her yard. A man, where you see him? And a man. And a man, you see him play dolly house.
To backside, I wonder. When you come to a frightened so tell, I can't tell.
Yeah, what, mama in night. I play mama. You don't want to turn woman the 4 times. Can't forever beat. Go on with the man. Go on with the man.
Come on and bring it home. Come on.
Carry out there.
Come on, go with the man.
Candy! Candy!
Yeah, me I come. What going on?
Hello, ma'am. What are you doing? Where is the daughter?
Huh?
Where is the daughter?
How is my daughter?
Where is the daughter?
Where is my daughter?
Yes, I would like to have her up by my house, you know.
Why?
The 2 of them.
Why? With 2 of who?
Me and she.
My daughter? No, you. Cutie, they go up. Look here. You can't send for my daughter up your yard. Why you want my daughter up of your yard with Cutie? So our mother give you permission? Look here. Me can't. Me can't do it.
So that cannot work out, huh?
Me not send my daughter go to no pastor. They hear what me say? What you want with my daughter?
Well, they just want me to tell them to stay with her up by my house. No problem.
You want people pick me if you can't stay with you up at your house. Me can ask you a question, sir?
Go ahead, ma'am.
Why you like take little young girls up at your yard? How what happen?
Well, nothing don't happen, you know, ma'am. Thing at all don't happen.
You just want them up there just so nothing
No,
at all.
go up there, Miss Candy.
Are you little
can't
girl?
stay with her.
Are your mother give you permission to go to the man in your yard? So for your mother idiot then. Where your name? Me know say a pastor. But where you say your name?
Well,
We don't know your name.
my name is Brother Lied.
Lied? Pastor Lied? You hear what your name? You hear the liar? You see anybody name Lied, me no like them. You see where you start with? Lie. Who no lie? Me no like pastor. Go on in your yard. Nobody will say that. Little girl, you know, this I need to get in a police hand. No, you cannot take people girl picnic and carry them up in your yard, so. Little girl. I want to give you up there.
I did up there for how long I'm come down today. I don't want to go back up there. You can't send her that up there, make she come take some of what me I get.
Little girl. Lord Jesus. How you take up there?
You might beat me up there.
In they beat you? That make it worse. My daughter now go up there. Me no want no man put their hand for picnic.
And a miss.
And no hand.
I need a beating.
Jesus Christ, that make it worse. This I want police involved in this. My daughter, little girl not go back up there. Then you follow your mother and go back up there? Pastor, me not understand you. Why you always take people little girl picnic care up a your yard?
Girl, stop it. It's my bike KFC up a yard for you.
KFC?
Yeah.
You buy KFC for me, Pastor?
Yeah, up a yard.
Candy, Bye, Candy.
So, wait, come here, cutie. Cutie,
Yes,
come here,
miss.
Pastor. I want to talk to you. I don't talk to you, so I don't know how you just walk off. So. Come back over here, so and stop each and pan the pastor. So, I don't understand.
Let's hear what
Stand up right here, so
Let's hear
little
what
girl.
she's saying. Let's hear what she's saying. What she's saying, man?
I don't know you love your belly, so cutie, be careful of where they do. Your name too much. KFC, they make you follow the pastor go back. You just tell me say you want to stay with me. So you know about that
Never
one?
tell her that, miss.
You know about that? Cutie.
Candy, we never say that, Miss Candy.
Where you standing?
Miss Candy.
You better. You just they ask me if me can make you stay with me. You never say that?
No, me say if me could stay with you till
Here
pastor
you
can
again.
get the KFC and come back.
God almighty. How teach you if you tell lie? Stop, touch up him, man. He's bigger than you. A whole big man, this can be your father. Why you always
ready, Miss Candy.
Figure where?
You want me?
So your mother aware that you're going back
Mommy
up there? Pastor, don't come back in my yard. You dey walk out? Make sure say you don't come back in my yard. You see your boot? I don't know who gave that the boot there. But the boot look just like you, lie like you, and you take people and picnic here up in your yard. I'm going to talk to the police about you. My daughter will never come out your yard. And what kind of pastor this is? Carry one people, girl picnic and feed them yard every minute. You what? Child molester? You a pervert? Okay, me soon find out if you're a pedophile. Watch you, man.
I want to do daddy. What you want to do?
What do you mean by what we do?
Me see pastor and cutie. You know what I mean? And them a go so. And pastor look well upset. Say una play dolly house with cutie.
I like pastor tell. You see we and cutie did a play Ring a Rosie and he come and he take cutie and he box cutie, he kick cutie, he wall cutie so. He wall cutie so.
I know me. You see?
Oh, but that's kind of cute. I rather for them business that. Because if big cutie and look at cutie, I roll the pastor for them business. I can't get involved in that right now.
So you know say pastor pass it cute.
I see them on the road. And I talk to them, right?
They did a whole hand?
Them hold on like a father and daughter.
Father and daughter.
They like father and daughter.
Tell us say pastor and cutie not something.
A father and daughter.
You say father and daughter, I never seen nothing there.
I'm the pastor. So.
I know my pastor come me no go to church again. I realize them a collect too much money.
Chucky did up this prayer with cutie. I made it.
Yeah, man.
He did a prayer up there, man. Chuck, man.
Alright now. Look like I'm up to no good, you know.
You can't say that.
But here
Or
now.
if you say that, you know, so that's not really I get rent nowadays. Or if you say we
hear this man in the mirror come up on my yard, I turn and hear Candy tell us he rank up the bed.
Hey, let's talk about that.
A true, him piss up the girl.
And I say go.
Wait, no, let me tell him,
And
him piss up the girl and I bed. Last night my dream said, me did a drive one car and then bam, we wake up underneath the bed.
And that's how it go. She pissed on me when she can't manage no more. You know, you're lying so.
You not look up Pitney, but that then call a golden shower.
What name golden shower?
No.
She pissed on you. That name golden shower, she pissed on you.
You know about golden shower?
Me don't know nothing about it.
You ever get a golden shower yet?
No.
You get cute. Remember? Okay.
My mother bathed me on the back with soap. With soap.
Oh, you can get golden shower already?
No.
But you get it last night then?
She pissed on me, but we don't know what that means.
Alright, make it turn then.
Babe.
But you know, whatever I do, you know, allow. My mother go so many things, you know. So even if you straighten myself before I forward off your yard, you know.
Yeah, my mother kind of know.
Where do?
Yeah, my mother kind of know.
Where do?
No man, me and my mother go in a business because my mother go be supervisor for the plum tree because I have to take care
The plum then are no use again. It's a
My
Christmas
mother
come.
take care of me already. My mother can't take care of no plum tree.
Plum where
And up there, me and Cutie always go. No.
You ever know? I'm gonna be soon running the yard. You know what I mean?
Stepfather no.
No, you know you can't stepson yet.
Stepfather. You need to
Take it back.
yard.
Take it back. Don't say that. Take it back.
Start first yourself. Rascals gonna come for dinner and if you shape up yourself.
So like I am a stepfather, I can get some of my plum off for a tree.
Alright.
I stepson, answer man.
Go on, go pick one for your
Kukara.
Hello, don't touch me man.
Kukara. Can you see I come for dinner over there? Kukara.
You said on your eat, daddy.
Oh, come my daddy love raw meat, you know.
What you love?
Cook.
Alright. Go pick 2 plum. Nobody, 2 each.
So like your father, give me buy 2 bananas, buy 1 banana, give me your money now.
Hello.
Be my father too. Be my father too.
Don't be a blood kid father. Where your mother there?
She.
Give me,
You okay, mother calling me?
Give me something, man.
If you give me,
You okay, mother calling me?
if you give me $20 million, me
Carry mother come. Carry mother come.
You have to know $20 million. Alright. 20. Mug pan here, $20 million.
Oh, it's a big boy.
Bag juice. Bag juice.
My daddy ever give me silver.
My father not give nothing like.
Big boy. Big boy. Pick 2 plum for me now.
I'm not pick. We are pick now from.
Today my birthday. Pick 2 plum for me. If you not pick it,
Me can't cut
Happy birthday, but
If
big
you not-
boy can't pick no plum.
if you not pick me, I'll tell your mother.
My king boy.
What I'm
can't
gonna tell him, mother? Me
Nah,
not pick no plum
same
for you.
matter.
Alright. You not pick your plum, give me.
No.
Don't tell Candy. You tell your mother what? You'll get beat now.
Good. Come like a stick.
Alright? You'll see a stick you'll get beaten with. Candy.
Aye.
So you don't know what say me see your son and took it up this up on the man plum tree. I pick off the man plum the man me I tell the local boy say come off a tree still there on the plum tree.
Big boy.
Yes.
Climb plum tree and he's so big.
Go up
and
in
fat.
a tree tap me see him.
And he's so big and fat we go drop off and broken and
He
he
say if he come out and he now come
and me not no
out.
money. Alright, me I come there.
Big boy. Better you climb him. Can't swing out my arm too much. Come. Climb. Show them your bad. Yeah.
Go up and tell the local boy and me I tell if he come out of the tree, he say nah come out of the tree. Nah come out in the up in the tree tap me see him.
Come. Go up.
Watch this. You see what me I tell you?
Big boy, come here.
Just a moment.
You head over Rasta place. Fanny plum tree. Give you permission to pick it?
Yeah, so we can
Me not chat to you. Cause you not no manners in there. Can two of not talk same time. Me I hear you and me I hear what not say.
alright.
Me I talk to my son. Me notice say you always a take him where they can go do wrong things. Me not chat to
Mommy,
you.
I Rasta send me over here.
Which Rasta?
Fire.
Fire send you pan in plum tree.
Yeah, it's a
Guys,
step down.
Mommy, you say your name there, mommy.
Me and him there.
Yeah.
We soon there. We not there yet. Come here.
Mommy.
Come here.
Wall him Candy.
Little girl, move fast.
Wall him Candy and beat him.
Mommy.
Give your piece at it.
Big boy, bell. Lord, you chat too much.
Come on,
You chat too much. I'm a friend.
Mommy, please.
Mommy, please. Let it go. Let it go, me say.
You see me?
Come and find my
Little girl, move fast.
Go on away.
Let it go.
Mommy.
Let it go. Stop turn up your face like that. Let it go.
You're in farmer.
Go on away, father.
Mommy.
That's okay. Why we ain't going so craving?
Oh, no.
Big boy. Big boy. You know hear Mr. Me come. You can't wait. You're just big and craving, so hold this. Give me back. What you want to say?
Thanks.
Who you talk to?
But
So?
mommy, you don't give me it yet.
Me put in your hand and you don't say nothing. Here it is.
Thanks.
Thanks what? Give me back. If you say girl, then you chat to her road. Here.
Thanks, mom.
Thanks what?
Thanks, mom.
Right. Here you go. You have to say thanks 2 times because 2 different sitting with you.
Thanks 2 times.
You idiot like your pooper. Hurry up and eat it because I have someone to send you go. Crave no.
Hey, give me this.
Mommy! Mommy!
Here you again.
Mommy, she take a piece of cake. Mommy, she take a piece of my cake.
God Jesus. Woman can't call me so much time, pitney.
Me a play with the little boy. How can they go and say book boy?
Grandpapa have a big piece.
Are you will come to? What happened?
Not a thing. You alright?
I said alright.
So you come but now.
I like it.
You know, so that man said if you give her this year, yeah, he say you can take you and buy a drink.
This
And
killer say me hungry.
He say he must send Kira come to spend a couple more days with him. So, you and him for go start out that. And he
So what make she not call me? I want to fear phone.
he say his phone drop in a pool water, master.
Fear battery not have no phone.
But she have no phone.
Yeah, you fear manners when you hear me talk. Don't come in there. You don't look like fear battery have no phone. I don't know what do this a girl as such.
Master, he say his phone drop in a pool water.
Pool water. Then you not tell me say so I'm a little business you ain't go start out. I don't understand.
A hotel in go. So comes according to she, phone drop in a pool water.
Hotel?
So you don't know what kind of work she do?
Mm-mm.
Yeah, she's a special masseuse.
Special masseuse.
All inclusive.
Like what so?
She does our for your body, for other people body. All our body.
I lie. She dey go along with things. I wonder if she make no money. They know she send $700 come give me.
I make money, I'm not send the money come give Pitney.
Jesus.
Anyway, you have to go start out that as in same or send the little girl come for a couple more days.
I
So
hope you not use him out and the other is apart.
say
Them
them
for
here,
free.
all inclusive, so everything you use.
Mommy, make Kira come back, mommy.
Everything you use.
Mommy, I can make Kira come down for true, mommy.
Make Kira come down for
Yeah,
true.
I like Kira.
Me know say I like him.
Anyways, he say most of the little girl come for a couple more days. So you have to go start out that you can't message come here.
And one that time I tell me say she a go send back Pitney for a couple days. She think me around daycare down here.
Ask him that.
The last time she phoned me and tell me say me fit on with her Pitney for 5 hours. I must see 5 years she take. Right now, never start out something in the house. Stand
Yeah.
up to come.
You can eat, you put on weight.
What are those?
So you come over here for them with Pitney food.
Yeah, say yes when I give me food, candy.
Me stay in this one here and they say if you leave in cake alone. You did out here then you mouth it.
No, I don't eat the like cake. I play me and
Mommy,
play with
take
him.
off a big piece, mommy.
So we out there so I don't. You mouth me Pitney cake.
No, I'm a little husband, man.
What you say?
I'm a friend, I'm a little husband, I play with him all the while.
Your little husband?
I like her, mommy.
You how much?
25.
And we are calling me Pitney with a 10-year-old
I'm a
husband.
little baby.
You're mad, I know.
I don't understand. What you mean when I say my 10-year-old son is your husband and you say you're 25?
I'm a little friend, me not mean nothing. I just
No, no
friend.
call me Pitney, no husband.
I like her, mommy.
You not ready for marriage. How you like?
Kira.
You like Kira? Yeah. When you get big you can marry Kira, you hear? Alright, baby. Alright then, thanks for come.
Yeah.
We talk to you one next time.
Yeah.
Hold on there. How are you set for them?
Alright, Candy.
You look like you're in next set to take up my Pitney drinks before me give you me drinking. You don't want it either. Alright.
My auntie Candy.
Evening, Daddy.
Evening, Daddy. Where you sleep last night? Make your mother look up and down for you.
Over big boy.
Over big boy. Listen to me, man. Me can't take the problem, you know. I know say you're not going to get come out of yard again, though.
Why? Something to do.
Yeah, get too much. You remember last time?
Alright,
last time what me have to do with you? Eh? You remember last time what me have to do?
No move.
Come back in the yard, boy.
Yeah, no move.
Yeah, see, man.
And police there.
Officer Walker, danger was walking out. What go on today? I have a man that will run off, tongue pan and leg in that.
Officer,
Yes, sir.
the plan where you do at the never work out.
You know why it work out? Because the man run off.
He's still alive, you know if you're alive, if you're dead.
And that's what things going on.
How it go?
You see, we have to lock him up first and we have to interrogate him. And sometimes interrogation gets a rough, we thump them knock out and we have to call, you know what I mean? But
But,
you know
but a while ago, you just draw 3 guns off of me.
3 guns?
Give me a gun, I'm going to shoot him.
Hello, I tell you, this is not the way. Step away.
Alright, come here, I'll make a catch him.
You sure him down there, though?
He's down there.
You say him down there, I'm going to see you now.
No, but I'm just saying down there now.
Down there now?
With a big Bob Marley clip.
Big Bob Marley, that is it. One love, alright, let's.
You can't walk in the road in the car, you have people watching. Let me go so. Roll so.
Let me tell you something. Officer Smiley work. Oh, true, you know, it look like him down there for true. See this, see this, see this.
No, me I come. Hold it. Give it, let me hold it for you.
Hey, step away, man.
Go, that's it, yo. I want to be like army twin now.
You want to be there? Hey, stand for this. Stand for this. And don't move. Because this is a serious business. I'm going to tie you up. Why don't be for true, you know? Yawa!
Me a back up. No
back up and go, sir.
My father more kitchen.
Don't worry about it. You have to do my job. My name is Officer Smiley. You're a what?
Officer Chucky.
Officer Chucky, you know? You know what this one?
How about this? Clear. Me I watch your back. Me want to get catch tonight.
Right.
Clear.
Oh, clear, so only safe us. I want to see her come.
Clear. Trust me now. Trust me.
Clear a box. I say, save us up.
Officer, clear.
So, I don't understand why you give some liquor on there. You're not here.
Wait, officer, wait. The rope. That's the best thing to hold him with.
I'm sitting around the little boy.
Yeah. I saw them putting knife was move slow.
I tell you, I go lock up your tone. Let's watch where I go on. Because I told you if you come off on the streets. Because you're not here.
Alright, go on, clear.
Hey, what more first?
Officer, relax now. Hey, officer, come here. Stay here, sir. Stay behind us, sir.
Come out there, man. As soon as you can roll over here. Go, sir, man. Go round, sir.
No,
you go round, yes, sir.
Oh, you catch me, daddy, so you have to tell me this and put him up there and call him and king come grab me and say, hold him. Got this song. Put him up there and say, man. You know what I say now? I'm born to be in a police force team.
Police force? What force?
Come, and come on, that's all. Come on, that's all. Come on, be in a force.
Alright.
No move, you know.
What's your name again?
Officer Chucky.
Alright. Fit to the name, Officer Chucky. Go on.
Daddy!
Oh, God.
Daddy!
Go over there, oh, God.
And pork you eat at daytime, that's how you go along, so.
That's no work out.
You know that it's time for your beer. Come in our yard, man.
I'm being, I'm jamming everyone to be.
What me call this? What me call this?
Yeah,
Nah, give me. What me call? What is it?
Double!
Yes. What is it?
Double! Yes, thank you, Jesus!
Double!
Officer, yeah.
Mr. if you don't move, you know long me I look for you.
Give me, wait 30 gun when you have.
Where's that 30 gun?
Yes, officer.
Yeah, man.
30 gun. Time, let me think come back.
So when me I go to school and call one book name a cow called Boy. Yeah?
Sister, you're informer now, though.
You are the boy.
I'm an informer.
You know
Officer
you're informer.
Chucky.
They know so when we get released, a problem, though.
You know I get released, don't worry about that. Chucky.
You're an idiot, man. A police are from there, man.
Police officer you.
Lock him up.
Don't worry about
Let me hold his cliff here.
Look at, hey, alright, Officer Chucky.
Yeah.
You did a very good job. Go home now, come go home.
Me want to show you saying God.
Go home. Me have everything under control. This is Officer Smiley and he did a very good job. Alright, sir? Come go on. You want to give me a thumb? You want to give me a thumb because I'm here, so I beat there.
I chew you know.
No. You? Go on.
Yo, take time with me, no man.
No job is so. No job is so.
Paradise Nation, Richard Brownfield. Oh, big boy, playing with your trucks tonight. Hey, big boy, when you gonna get it right? Mama cry, when you gonna get it right? Oh, Candy, she say. One thing she said, the bells are gonna work. It are gonna help you fit do your homework. See that little boy named Chucky, feeling friendship really now work. Big boy, when you gonna get it right? Oh, big boy, playing with his trucks, everything seems alright. Hey, just the other day, police start checking on the lane. Pastor boy preaching, the words not reaching. Now I'm going for your church, boss. Not Both you a check for me, sister. No, one go check your prime minister. Make him fix all the system a twister. But you are part of the system, what we fix up. Hey, step away. Oh, step away. Whoa. Oh, big boy, I gotta be a big boy. Oh, big boy, playing with your trucks tonight.